One-story ranch home with a detached shed, 10'X12, remodeled kitchen 5 years ago with stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, and granite countertops. Main floor laundry. Open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen. Flooring 5 years old. Water heater 6 years old. Architectural roof shingles 5 years old. Fully fenced backyard has a fire pit area for outdoor entertaining in a quiet setting. HVAC in 2020. Main bedroom with bathroom and closet. Cavalier Manor Recreation Center is across the street. WDO and Property inspection performed before listing and available to buyer, waiting for you to move in.